this in the initial client brief. So this can either happen on site. So you can go for the site visit. So this initial brief can happen in site, or if that is not possible, in your office that you're working, or if you're a freelancer, you don't have an office like me, you can go and meet them in a coffee shop. But this is the most recommended one. Site visit is the most recommended one. Okay. And then when you are in the site, there are few things that you have to observe. Okay, we'll talk about that later. So once this is done, you will go for conceptual drawings and sketchings, and then your design development, your technical drawings, and site construction or inspection. Right? So, okay, in interior design industry, we have other career options also, or opportunity you could say. So interior design stylist basically mean people who work for magazine, or you might have seen a lot of reality shows, right? A lot of reality shows. So they have few decor items in the show. So these stylists help with the shows, like the set and all that. Okay, so they are called interior stylists. So there are a lot of interior design magazines. You might have heard about Inside Outside, Architectural Society, Architectural Digest. Okay, and interiors favors. So this is not in India. This we don't have this option in India, but this is you can see this commonly out of India. So what they do is, when these people are nothing but they make the property ready to sell. So in our, if you see in India, real estate agents do that. But if you go to, if you go anywhere outside India, you have separate people who are like designers itself. So if they see an empty apartment, they make sure to add furnitures, add decor items, lighting. They prepare the house for selling, basically. Okay, and then we have interior decorators. So interior decorators are not interior designers. So decorators are one step below, because they don't know planning. They don't plan at all. So their job is to, add decor items. They should always know what is the right trend. Okay, so they don't plan with whatever is available. Say I have a wardrobe. So they come and tell me, okay, this wardrobe is not nice, and let me add a nice finish. Okay, or I have a table, and they'll feel like, okay, the table that you have is empty. The center table that you have is empty. So let me add a flower pot, or some decor items to make it look good. Okay, but interior designers can be interior decorators, because we also do planning. Okay, we also do the decor and all stuff. Okay, and one step higher are people who are interior architects. Those people are they are a pro at rules and regulations, preparing documentations, planning for sign off. Okay, so you can be an interior architect maybe in 2-3 years if you practice well, with experience basically. Okay, so say for example you're working in a firm, right? So with practice, or you should know what rules they follow. So what is sign off? Any idea? Sign off? Okay, so say for example my designing is done, and a project is going to be executed. Okay, it's going to start in the site. So what if tomorrow the client comes and tell me that I told you black color, but you have gone for brown? There are possibilities, right? So in that case, we prepare a document along with the plan, the materials and finishes that they have selected. Okay, everything what the client has selected along with us. So we will ask them to sign in the final sheet saying that this is final. This is what you have asked for. And this is the cost that comes. It's called sign-off document. Okay, so with experience, interior designers can become interior architects. Okay, then okay, so as an architect, your job is to first do planning. So say this is 12 feet and this is 10 feet. And this is the living space. So first you will say, okay, so this space I want it to be a study space. So this space is for my TV unit. So here is my coffee table, and here is my circulation space. So you will zone your plan. Okay, and then you will go for furniture and material selection. So here you have zoned, no? So here you have put, I want sofa and a TV. So next step is to, okay, what kind of sofa I want? Will a L-shaped sofa do, or a 3-seater is okay? Or do I need a center table here? Will it be too closer to TV? That process will happen. Your furniture is done, you will go for colors. What color? Okay, and then your lighting. So already in this space itself, you know, okay, I'll have a light here on top, I'll have a light here on top. But what when you select lighting, comes here, what kind of lighting you want. And then last is your decor item. Okay,